Hi, it's Nate Charles, and welcome back to the Rule of Law Brief. Today's topic is legally complex, and for that reason, this video is just a summary of a longer, more fully cited written analysis that we at Charles International Law published on Substack. That written piece contains citations to every statute, court case, and news report that we relied on. If you want the detailed breakdown of this topic, please read that written article. The short version is that Lebanon County has entered into ICE's 287G task force program. Now, that move was legal, it is constitutional, and it is congressionally authorized. But that doesn't mean it's good policy, and I don't think that it is. The task force model is the most expansive version of the 287G program. It allows officers to perform federal civil immigration enforcement functions, including immigration arrests, under ICE supervision and ICE authority. Under federal law, those functions are performed at local expense. So this isn't symbolic cooperation. It's a deliberate decision to shift scarce local law enforcement resources towards federal immigration enforcement. Simultaneously, Lebanon County is facing a projected multi-million-dollar budget deficit. Local officials have readily acknowledged manpower shortages and resource constraints. Now, despite those budget shortfalls, the Lebanon County District Attorney's Office has created a human trafficking task force and adopted the most aggressive immigration enforcement partnership available. When enforcement actions framed as human trafficking result not only in prosecuting alleged offenders, but also in charging non-citizen workers, the individuals who are described as the human trafficking victims, that pattern tells you something. Combined with 287G, it suggests that immigration status itself has become a central enforcement priority for the Lebanon County District Attorney's Office. So that begs the question, is this addressing a measurable local public safety crisis? Or is it appearing tough on immigration in a community that is politically hostile to immigration? And that's before even addressing the question of federalism. We have a federal government to handle federal priorities. We have local and state governments to handle local and state crime and community safety. That division is a strength of our constitutional system. When a county facing fiscal strain reallocates limited resources towards federal civil immigration enforcement, especially in a county like Lebanon County, Pennsylvania, where local prevalence of undocumented immigration appears modest at best, it's fair to ask whether local government is staying within its proper lane. And again, this is legal, but the legality is not the same as wise. If you want the full statutory, fiscal, and enforcement analysis with citations, please read the full article on Substack. The link will be in the episode notes. Again, I don't think that this is about partnership. It's about priorities, institutional integrity, and responsible governance.